classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and we're jumping back into the world of Na 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 Surprise. Today we have the one and only Lila Lamb, and she is our first dark complector in the Na 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 Teen series. We recently got our first dark complector with the kids series. Now we have the teens here, and this is Lila Lamb. You can see she comes with a hat, the doll, a brush. These do retail in the realm of $30. On the back of her packaging, it says Lila Lamb. It says bow down to the sweetness. Oh, okay. Oh, she a little bossy. Okay. So anyone else in this line that I was kind of interested in was maybe the raccoon, just because her aesthetic is so hilarious. So what I'm going to do off camera is open her up, and we're going to see, is she worth this $30 price point? We'll be right back. We are back, and we have Miss Lila out of her packaging. Now, as you can see, she comes here with a few accessories. One being this tag. Yes, I have already cut and removed this tag. I'm that type. I really don't know. I understand, but I cut my tag off. She also comes with this really cool brush, and hopefully my camera will pick it up, but this is actually a pearlescent brush. Very pretty. And she also comes with this beautiful hat, which is to replicate a lamb. And if we open up what's inside, we should get her birth dates, and we should get a really cool message. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like it says Lila's birthday is October 16th. Is she a Libra? And once again, it says bow down to my sweetness. Oh, wow. Oh, calm down, queen. Oh, wow. But one feature I love about her hat is that they did include those pink details. It's lovely. Now, let's go over Miss Lila. You know, she's the girl of the hour, the original lamb. And as you can see, this is what her face is giving. She has the pink and blue eyeshadow, the blue eyes. We're gonna go over this outfit. Very unique pieces. She has this felt material top, which does have, as you can see, the lace collar. And once you go down, she's wearing this blue corseted top, and her skirt has these bows and ribbons on it. But if you go underneath, it's a completely pleated skirt, and it's pleated all the way around, MGA. She does come with printed on pieces, as you can see, the jewelries, the baguettes. And when we go down, you can see that she's wearing these really cute shoes. These look so cute. These shoes give me Ever After High feel. They're so adorable. Now, the thing with the Na 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 dolls is that they are cloth dolls, but these teens come with a few points of articulation. The first one being the head game. They can move all around just like that. They really can't look up and down. She does have motion at her shoulders, nothing really in the waist. They have a movement at the hip that kind of turns their foot out, but it doesn't stop there. Inside, there's wire, so you can actually bend them and give them different moments like this. So she could be standing out there, come on guys, let's go, you know. Now, something I haven't mentioned yet is her hair. Now, I have felt her hair without my gloves on. I just wanted to wear, you know, a lacy outfit to kind of look like Lila. Her hair is extremely soft. Now, amongst examining her hair, when I turned her around, I said, wait a minute, queen, I see some Velcro back here, but it's each piece, and you have it. This blue top is actually a separate piece. So if you aren't feeling this and you're like, I'm really not feeling this part of Lila's outfit, you can actually remove it. So now you have Lila in her pink top and her pink skirt. Now, the interesting thing is they do have on printed on underclothes. So if you wanted Lila to actually remove this top as well, you can see that underneath she does have this really cute top on. So now let's just see what her bottoms look like. And they are so cute. She's so adorable. Now, something else I did get an inbox on, and I'm going to do the comparison right now, because Lila, like I mentioned earlier, is the first dark complector we have received out of the teens. but she's not the most recent one. She is the most recent one, but she's not the first one. The first one was this cutie. So you can see what they look like. And I'm just going to put her top back on so she can look decent for the review. And then we're gonna just do a cute little face comparison of the two girls because they are surprisingly different. Okay, I want you guys to understand that they are different. It's not like a repaint of the same doll, just bigger. So you can see one has brown eyes, one has blue. They do have the pink in common though, but for me that's about it. And the complector is basically the same, I think. I don't know, Lila looks like she may have a little bit more red in her tone, but she is there. So they do match both of them up with pink accents. But I think this is so cute. She's so beautiful. Let's see what she looks like with her hat on. So this is kind of Lila with her hat on. Now, if you do have other teens in your collection, you can swap their clothing around. I do have a few other teens. So I want to thank you guys for watching today. I couldn't find my ruler, so I wanted to do how tall she was, but I really can't tell. Because I was looking on the back of the box for the height and it really doesn't tell me. I don't know where my ruler is, so for this review, no height compared to her besides them. So these little ones, and then you have the big ones like that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let that go because I don't have my ruler with me. But both of these ladies are lovely and they're great additions to any collection. I want to thank you all for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below and let me know what else would you like to know about the Na 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 Teens dolls. At the beginning of the video, I said we're going to decide if it was worth that $30 price point. For me personally, I would have settled for easy $22. I'm not really sure about the 30s, but if you wait long enough, they all go through price drops. I want to thank you guys for checking us out today. I'll see you in the next one.